In our last lesson, we learned how to factorize quadratics such as 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. The clue is to break down the 7x using two numbers that multiply to 12. Then we factorize in two stages. This could help us when factorizing special cases. Think of this as a quadratic with 0x in the middle, yeah? It doesn't have x, so 0x. You need two numbers that multiply to -9 and add up to 0. So, because the numbers add up to 0, they must be the opposite of each other, +3 and -3. These two numbers multiply to -9 and add up to 0. X is a common factor of the first two terms. -3 is a common factor of the last two terms. And the special quadratic factorizes x minus 3 times x plus 3. We can see that the blue area, the difference between the squares, x squared minus 3 squared, equals the area of the rectangle x plus 3 times x minus 3. Stop the video here if you need, until you convince yourself. Some of these special quadratics require you to factor the leading coefficient out first. For example, when factorizing 2x squared minus 200, we factor 2 out and deal with the quadratic inside. 2 brackets x minus 10 times x plus 10 is the answer. There is another type of special case. It is the quadratic without constant at the end. For example, x squared plus x. This type of quadratic is actually the easiest to factorize. Since we don't have three terms, we only need one bracket. The common factor is x, and this is written before the bracket. To help you visualizing this, think of the area of a rectangle with x and length x plus 1. In this second quadratic, 2x is the common factor. This coincides with the width of our rectangle. X plus 4 is the length. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!